In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use List View in Wrike. We'll walk through how to get into the right area of your workspace, and then how to adjust the view so it actually supports the way you work every day. Feel free to follow along in your own Wrike tab as we go. Start by opening your Wrike workspace and heading over to your campaign management area. This might be a project, a folder, or a space depending on how your account is set up, but the idea is the same. You want to be in the place where your campaign tasks live. Once you're there, make sure you're looking at the work items you care about, and then look toward the top of the screen for the view controls. You'll see an option labeled More. Go ahead and click that. This is where Wrike hides some very handy ways of looking at your work, and List View is one of them. From the options that appear, choose My To Do. This focuses the list on tasks that are specifically assigned to you, so you're not overwhelmed by everything in the campaign. It's a great way to turn a large project into a personal action list. Once you're in your to-do list, we'll start customizing how it looks, so it's easier to scan. At the top of the task list, look for the sorting and highlighting controls. Click on the highlight option. This lets you visually emphasize certain types of tasks so they stand out in a long list. For example, you might highlight tasks by status or priority to see what needs attention first. Next, click on Due Date. Sorting or organizing by due date is one of the most practical ways to use List View. It helps you understand what's overdue, what's due today, and what's coming up next, all in one place. If your list looks a bit messy, take a moment here to check that your tasks actually have due dates set. That will make this view far more useful. Now, click on Group. Grouping lets you cluster tasks by different attributes such as status, assignee, or project. Combined with your due date sorting, this can make it much easier to review your workload by category while still keeping time in mind. Then, click on Fields. This is where you choose which columns appear in your list view. You can turn fields on or off so that you only see the details you care about, like status, assignee, custom fields, or effort. Keeping this list clean avoids distraction and makes it faster to review. After that, click on Subitems. This controls whether subtasks or subitems show up in your list. Turning them on can be helpful when you want a complete picture of everything you're responsible for, including smaller checklist-type tasks. Finally, use the highlight option again as needed to adjust what stands out in your view. With these simple tweaks, your Wrike List View becomes a focused, clear picture of your work, tailored to how you manage your day.